Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to enable auto scroll on TikTok. Auto scroll on TikTok allows videos to play one after another without needing to swipe manually. This feature is useful for hands-free viewing or when watching TikTok for longer periods. To get started, open the TikTok app. Once you are on the For You page, long press on the video. From the menu, toggle on the Auto Scroll option. Auto Scroll is now enabled successfully. Let the current video play until the end. The next video will automatically play without any interaction. To turn auto scroll off, long press on the video again and toggle the option off. This gives you full control whenever you want to return to manual scrolling. That's it. You've learned how to enable and disable auto scroll on TikTok for hands-free viewing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelphStack tutorial videos.